Good morning and welcome to Cityline. Yes, I got up and walked over to our fabulous Debbie Breeze, who is the current owner of the Cloverleaf. Debbie, I'm so glad to finally be next to you. First, before we get started with all these pesky questions I have, tell me what we're making and let's get started.
Well, we're going to just make a basic pepperoni and black olive pizza.
Oh my God, some of my favorite. Okay, you let your hands work while I ask questions
Alrighty.
here.
Let's
So
switch this over.
when I think about the Cloverleaf pizza, I told you when we first started, this was the first pizza I had when I moved to the city of Tacoma. Because I said to people, where is the best pizza? And they said, at the time, it was called Cloverleaf Tavern. When did the name change?
2004. When I bought it, we remodeled it and made it so kids could come in.
Oh, there we go. Because when I had pizza the first time, my daughter was 4. My husband drove up and we got the pizza and brought it back to our house. And of course, we did not eat inside. So hence, now families are certainly welcome, aren't they?
Yes.
Yeah, they are. So when we think about the pizza dough, so I'm looking at this, and guess what I'm not seeing? I'm not seeing a roller. Is your pizza dough rolled?
No, our pizza dough is a very, very soft dough. So
Okay.
it's not something you could play with. You know, a lot of places they'll give the kids a
Oh,
bag
yeah,
of it
yeah.
and they can play with it. So it's pulled, and a pile is laid here, and then we do what's called squashing. So it's a hand gesture onto the dough to do it. And then we edge the edges to get it all the way to the edge.
Why?
Why what?
Why, if I tried to roll this out, what
It would just
happen?
roll up on your roller.
So does it give you, oh, I figured it out. It gives you a thin crust.
Exactly. It's a cracker-like crust.
Oh, I love that.
And we make dough every day, and the best dough sits for 24 hours before it's served.
My goodness.
Yeah, so we put the dough out like this, and then we put the pizza sauce on it in advance. We have some that are blank so that you can do the red sauce
Right.
or olive oil or, the white sauce or
Yes.
olive oil. And we have a couple other specialty sauces too. But
You're a red
otherwise-
sauce gal, though.
Yeah, I like the red sauce.
Oh, that's okay. That's good. So is pizza and keep working
Oh,
here,
yeah,
love.
yeah,
I
yeah.
know it's easy
I
for us
talk with
to-
my hands.
Oh, well,
you
your
know?
hands are busy, but you're doing a great job. So is pizza the only thing that the Cloverleaf serves?
Well, back in the day, before I had it, that was the case.
Okay.
They had a little burger press and maybe a couple cold sandwiches. But we expanded the kitchen.
Oh.
And we now have a whole menu of sandwiches, salads. You know, we have like a meatball sub, and a sausage sandwich, cold sandwiches.
Wow.
Believe it or not, some people don't like pizza. Can you believe that?
Okay, I'm going to just say this
Yeah.
right now. If you don't like pizza and you don't like dogs, don't come near me. And Debbie's with me, okay?
Right,
So
right.
we're a team on
Yes.
this. So for those people who don't like pizza,
Yes. But our salads are wonderful.
They
And-
are
oh,
wonderful.
They are absolutely wonderful.
they absolutely are. So what is your greatest joy in terms of putting pizzas together for pizza or owning the Cloverleaf?
My greatest joy.
Oh, this is
and I'll
going to be good. I
try
can
to
tell.
do it without getting teary. We have had people that have been coming there for 50 years, and from the beginning of time, and they celebrate the announcement of the birth of their child. They celebrate their anniversaries, their birthdays, and unfortunately, their wakes.
Yeah.
We do so many wakes because it was Mom or Dad's favorite pizza. They've lived their life with us being part of it, and we're so very grateful. My co-workers there, they are just fabulous, and they love the people that they take care of.
Oh, that is, that's the ultimate when somebody comes back to you and says, Mom and Dad loved your pizza more than anything else, and every week you saw them at their favorite table. And it's become part of our family legacy. I don't think it gets any better than that for a business owner to have a place in someone's life like that. That is incredible. What are some of the biggest challenges you've had? Because pizza certainly has evolved over the years, and how pizza is delivered, how pizza is eaten. What challenges do you have?
That part's not a challenge for us.
Okay.
Simply because we have what we have. We don't experiment with new things. This is the kind of pizza it is. Yes, I did change some things, as in adding things, to evolve with different tastes, like the margarita pizza,
Right.
the bacon cheeseburger pizza. So you have a little different varieties. But the basic never changes, and we're very particular about all the products that we have. Nothing is just bought, or if that particular, like the tomatoes that we use for our sauce, if that's not available, then it's not acceptable. We get that tomato. It has to be that tomato. It has to be that pepperoni. It has to be that sausage. So we're very particular about our products.
I love that. I love that. Well, the Cloverleaf is as iconic as Wright Park. It's as iconic as Point Ruston. I mean, it all goes together. So the Cloverleaf, if people need to know this, write this down, located at 6430 6th Avenue. And of course, we've been showing the website below your beautiful face this whole time.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for being here. And who says that pizza's not for breakfast? Well, luckily, you're not going to find out or see that. But that does wrap up another great segment of Cityline. It's always a pleasure and a privilege to be in your home.
Thank you.
We've given you some great things to think about, so go out there and be a part of the tapestry, and above all, pay it forward and eat pizza. And when you come back, as always, we'll be waiting for you right here at Cityline. Take care.